Hello people, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to automate the date picker if that date picker is having the attribute read only, which actually prevents us to fill the field or type the field. Okay, there is only one possibility that we can actually select the date from the calendar rather than typing in the field if we have the read only attribute. Okay, in that cases how to handle that, so I am going to show this in this video. And here if you see, we are going to do with the Playwright. So this is the official website of the CodeceptJS with the Playwright helper, and we can see all the inbuilt functions here. And if you see, right now this input field is not having any read only attribute. So what I can do is like I can right away type a date here. It will allow us to type the date, and it will enter also the same. For example, let me remove this, and here if I am going to add an attribute read only, and now if I am trying to type, it won't allow me to type anything. The only way is like I need to navigate through this date picker table and I need to enter the one. Okay, in these cases how we can do that? There is one way that how we are doing, like clicking these arrows and selecting the date. There is one way we can do automate like that, but it is not it is a little bit time taking one. So I'm going to just show you a small trick here. Let me open the Visual Studio Code IDE, which I am actually using. So these are all the scenarios I have done if we don't have any read-only attribute in that. So this is very easy, which I have done in my previous video. I'll just link that video also on the top right corner. For now, we can actually see how we can do that with date picker with read-only attribute. So I have created a scenario here. I have created a scenario in the same feature file which I have created. So in this one, this steps like I am on page, which is to launch the web browser with this URL, and then I am actually using this switch to, because we have this iframe, and I have used this switch to switch to the iframe and wait for this input input hashtag id date picker. With that element it is waiting and clicking on that. Then after that what we are going to do, if we have the read only attribute here. Okay, for now in this website we don't have any read only attribute, but this is just to demo. If we have the read only attribute, what it will happen, that just I have added here manually. So I'm just copying this one and using the same i.execute script. First thing is like what we need to do, this step is also remains the same. We need to remove the attribute read only. So what it does is like in the script only it will just remove this read only attribute and then it will enter the date. So this is a very small trick we can apply to handle the entering the date picker dates in a field which is having the read only attribute. Okay guys, so please try that and let me know if it is useful, and for more videos please subscribe to my channel and follow my videos. Thank you. See you all guys in my next video.